How do I forward an entire text thread to email? If you've ever found yourself needing to share a whole text message conversation via email, you're probably wondering how to do it efficiently. Let's break it down step by step. First, it's important to note that forwarding an entire text message thread directly to an email is not as straightforward as it is with email clients like Gmail. Unlike Gmail, where you can forward an entire email thread with a few clicks, text messaging apps do not typically offer this feature. When using a standard text messaging app, you usually can only forward individual messages. For example, on many phones, you can press and hold on a message to get the option to forward it, but this will only forward that single message, not the entire conversation. So how can you work around this? Here's a practical solution. If you need to forward the entire text thread, one method is to save the conversation as a PDF or a document. Here's how you can do it on a mobile device. Open your text messaging app and locate the conversation you want to forward. Since there is no direct forward all feature, you can use the print all option if available. This will allow you to save the entire thread as a PDF. Once you have the PDF, you can compose a new email and attach this PDF to the email. Alternatively, if your app does not have a print all option, you can manually copy and paste the messages into a document or email body, though this can be more time-consuming. Another approach, though less convenient, is to forward the last message in the thread and then attach the rest of the conversation as a document or PDF. However, this method is not as seamless as forwarding an entire email thread in Gmail. In summary, while you can't directly forward an entire text message thread to an email like you can with emails, saving the conversation as a PDF or document and then attaching it to an email is your best bet. This method ensures that you can share the full context of your text conversation with others.